How to hide specific people from seeing your Instagram story on Android. This tutorial shows you how to keep certain followers from viewing your story. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. From there, tap on the three lines, which goes directly to Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Story, Live, and Location. After that, tap on Hide Story and Live From. In the next step, a list of your followers will appear. From there, search for or scroll to find the specific people you want to hide your story from. Once done, tap on each person you want to add to your hidden list. A checkmark will appear next to their name. Following this, tap on Done once you have selected everyone you want to hide your story from. From here, go back and post a new story to confirm the selected people are no longer able to see it. Keep in mind, adding someone to this hidden list does not notify them, so they will not know they have been excluded from viewing your story. Finally, go back to your story settings and confirm your hidden list is updated according to your preference. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide specific people from seeing your Instagram story, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.